Hey everyone, this is Alchemnician coming at you with another video. This time it's not a deck profile, it's a pack opening of one of these things I just got from Walmart. It is 20 cards plus one ultra, super, secret, or rare card. Now let's hope for super, secret, or ultra instead of that rare. And let's get to it. Just open this pack. I don't usually buy these because, quite frankly, they're not that interesting. Because, like, the one time I did get one of these before was kind of crappy. Because, well, all I got was spell and trap cards. Let's try it again. We have Insect Knight. We have Garnadora. Falling Down. Pile of cards is kind of falling down. Yeah, puns are real. Morphtronic Chord. Let's just try to maneuver this thing so it's not on a slant. Alright, let's just do this. Ooh, a token! Sweet! Like, this is actually pretty cool. I really love tokens, and this is pretty unique. I've never seen a token like this before, but like, usually the ones I'm used to are like the Karibo tokens and everything that you get from special editions, so this is pretty nice. I'll just keep this, like, right here for cool pulls. I really like collecting tokens. It's kind of a hobby. I'll show you all the tokens that I gathered in a video one day. We have Cosmic Compass. Alright. Cyber Shield. I've yet to get a tripod, so I'm sorry for the quality. Token Sunday. That's pretty cool, too. I'm working on a token deck. I'll deck profile it sometime. So I'm going to keep this with their cool pulls. Next one. We have I suck at pronouncing this archetype's name. Karakuri Ninja MDL 919. It's not even. We have Hourglass of Courage. Little Fairy. Parasect. Bachi. Memory Loss. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Leopard. Another Bachi. Jewels of the Valiant. Pretty good card there, actually. Glassjaw. Counterpunch. Spar. And oh, nice, Thunder Seahorse. That is our super. Whoa, that's really cool. Yeah, Thunder Seahorse is our super. Cool pulls. All in all, actually not really bad. This is actually better than what I pulled out of the first one of these I opened. Which is pretty sweet. I didn't know you could get tokens out of here, but that's pretty awesome. I needed that one more token for my. I wanted 5 so I could, like, 5 monster zones, 5 tokens. So this is pretty awesome. Token Sunday is pretty cool. The Seahorse is pretty awesome. I might build a Thunder Family deck, so maybe. Yeah, so anyways, this has been a random pack opening. So, like, comment, subscribe.